So if you want to watch a different version of Netflix no matter where you are in the world, well, it's actually surprisingly easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Netflix website or the Netflix app, and you want to go ahead and sign into your account. Now when you're signing into your account, it's very important that you tick Remember Me. What this is going to do is keep you signed into your account, so every time you go to visit Netflix, you'll always stay signed in, and this is very important. So once you've signed into your account, whether that be on the mobile app or on the website, you'll want to go ahead and close the app or the website. What we need to do now is get ourselves a working VPN. Now if you don't know what a VPN is, it's basically a virtual private network which basically changes your online location. Now what we're going to be doing today is using a VPN to trick Netflix into thinking we're from a different country so we can access that version of Netflix. Now it's very important you use the right VPN, and I personally like to use IPVanish because I know that works. Netflix has been cracking down on the use of VPNs, which means most of them aren't going to work, so it's very important you choose the right one. If you want IPVanish, you can get it with a link in the description, and you can also get it for mobile devices too. So once you've got your VPN of choice, in this case it's IPVanish, you want to go ahead and select the country you want to view Netflix in. Now this will work worldwide, but in this case I want to view the US version of Netflix, so I'm going to select United States. You want to make sure that best available city and best available server has been selected. This way we're going to get the fastest speeds. So once you've done this, you want to go ahead and click on connect. So it should only take a couple of seconds to connect, but once you are connected, you're basically going to be viewing the internet from that location. So in this case, the internet's going to think I'm from the United States. So what we're going to do now is minimize the application so the VPN is working in the background. And what we're going to do is go ahead and load up the Netflix website or the Netflix app if you're using a mobile device. So once you are connected to the Netflix website or the app, you should already be using the different version of Netflix. So I'm currently using the US version, and just to prove it to you, I'm going to go to the search bar at the top and type in Office, and the US version of The Office will appear. So you can start watching TV shows for as long as you want. However, just remember that when you're finished, close Netflix and disconnect from your VPN, otherwise you'll be browsing the internet from the location you've selected, unless you want to do that. And that is all you need to do to watch any version of Netflix wherever you are in the world. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. I've made hundreds of videos just like this one, so if you want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee with the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.